Today, we're going to talk about one of the most awe-inspiring, yet dangerous, natural phenomena on Earth. Something that can change the lives of millions in just minutes. The tsunami. We've all probably heard the word tsunami, but do we really know what it is and why it's so powerful? Let's examine it step by step. What is a tsunami? The word tsunami comes from Japanese. Tsu means harbor, and nami means wave. Unlike regular ocean waves that only move the surface, a tsunami moves the entire column of water from top to bottom. This is why its energy and destructive power are so immense. Most tsunamis are triggered by massive undersea earthquakes. When the Earth's crust suddenly shifts at the bottom of the ocean, millions of tons of water are displaced in an instant. This movement generates waves that may look harmless in the deep ocean, only 1 or 2 meters high, but their speed can reach up to 800 kilometers per hour, almost as fast as a passenger jet. Other causes include volcanic eruptions, giant landslides beneath the ocean, or even the impact of an asteroid. But the result is always the same: colossal waves that respect no boundaries. In the deep sea, tsunamis are nearly invisible. But as they approach shallow waters, everything changes. Their speed decreases, yet their height grows dramatically. That small ripple in the ocean can suddenly become a towering wall of water, 10, 20, or even 30 meters high, charging toward the shore like a watery monster. In 2004, a 9.1 magnitude earthquake off the coast of Indonesia unleashed one of the deadliest tsunamis in history. The waves struck more than 14 countries, claiming over 230,000 lives. In 2011, Japan experienced another devastating tsunami following a massive earthquake. Entire towns were destroyed, and the waves triggered the Fukushima nuclear disaster. A tsunami is often silent, but sometimes nature gives us clues. One of the most striking signs is when the ocean suddenly and unusually retreats, leaving the seabed exposed. If you ever see the sea vanish like this, it's not a time to explore. It's a signal to run to higher ground immediately. A tsunami is not just a big wave, it's a catastrophe. It can level entire coastal cities in minutes. It can displace thousands of families. It can contaminate fresh water supplies. It can render farmland salty and useless. It can change the lives of millions forever. We cannot stop tsunamis, but we can prepare for them. Early warning systems now operate across the Pacific and Indian Oceans. Education helps coastal communities know how to react quickly. Seawalls and protective barriers can reduce the impact in some regions. And smarter urban planning keeps critical infrastructure safer. A tsunami is one of the most powerful reminders of nature's force. It shows us how small and vulnerable we are against the earth and the ocean. But knowledge, awareness, and preparation are our strongest defenses. So the next time you stand by the shore and admire the calm beauty of the sea, remember, this same ocean holds another face, majestic, terrifying, and utterly unstoppable. If you've stayed with us up to this point, I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video and share your thoughts about tsunamis with us in the comments. Thank you.